Hello everyone, my name is Urvisha Patel, working as an assistant professor in Computer Engineering Department at Mahatma Gandhi Institute of Technical Education and Research Center, Navsari. In this video, we are going to learn Unit number 3, Servlet API and Overview of Subject Advanced Java Programming. Subject code is 3160707. Today's outlines are Overview of Servlet, CGI, Scripting language, difference between CGI and Servlet. Let's continue with overview of Servlet. Before starting Servlet, we will see some important keywords about web application. Here in this diagram, you can see client and server. Here, client is trying to communicate with the server. Client means you can say web browser. Example, IE, Chrome, Mozilla, etc. Web browser is working as a client, which helps in communicating with the server. Web server is the one which takes the client request, process the request and send back the response. Here client sending the HTTP request and server responding with HTTP response. Here we are talking about web application, so request is HTTP request and response is HTTP response. Client and server using HTTP protocol for request and response. Server and client will communicate with each other with the help of HTTP protocol. Why we need Servlet? As we know, nowadays everything is available on internet like e-banking, e-commerce, etc. So this application is called web application. Here client want to display given name in his web page. Server said I can't do the dynamic computation. But here in Java we have a Java servlet. Java servlet can process your request. Java servlet says I will help you to display given name in your web page and sending the dynamic response. So servlet is used to response with dynamic web pages. So using servlet, client can display his name in his web page. What is servlet? Actually, servlets are small Java programs that run in a web server that has a servlet engine. Servlet engine means you can say servlet container. Servlet engine handles all communication between the servlet and the outside world. Here user types in the URL of a servlet. Means web page that will contain a servlet. You can also say client is typing the URL of a servlet. Browser send request to the server with name of servlet to run. Server hand over the request to the servlet container. Here servlet container is capable of executing multiple servlet at the same time. Servlet returns a new .html file for the client browser to display. Server has two main responsibilities. First responsibility is to handle client request and second one is to create a response to be sent back. Before Servlet, Common Gateway Interface scripting language was popular as a server-side programming language. But there were many disadvantages of this technology. There are two types of scripting language, server-side scripting language and client-side scripting language. Server-side scripting is used to provide a customized interface for user. Client-side scripting is an important part of the dynamic HTML. It runs on client's browser. These are the examples of server-side and client-side scripting language. PHP, ASP.NET, C# or Visual Basic, C++, Java and JSP, Python, Ruby on Rails, etc. Client-side scripting languages, JavaScript, VBScript, HTML, CSS, Ajax, jQuery, etc. CGI full form is Common Gateway Interface. It was the first server-side scripting technique for creating dynamic content. It is used to execute a program that resides in the server to process data or access database to produce the relevant dynamic content. And CGI, for each request, it creates new operating system process. If the number of requests from the client increases, then it needs more time to respond to the request. As programs executed by CGI script are written in the native languages such as C, C++, Perl, which are not portable. So main two disadvantages of the CGI. Each request CGI server receive, it create new operating system process, and for multiple requests, it will take more time to respond to the request. Comparing Servlet with CGI. CGI programs are used to execute program written inside the native language. While in Servlet, all programs are compiled into the Java bytecode, which is run in the Java virtual machine. In Servlet, all the requests coming from the client are processed with the thread instead of OS process. As we seen in the previous slide, CGI programs are processed with the OS process, while Servlet client are processed with the threads. Difference between CGI and Servlet. CGI was not portable. Servlets are portable because it's Java. In CGI, each request is handled by heavyweight OS process, while in Servlet, each request is handled by lightweight Java thread. Session tracking and caching of previous computation cannot be performed in CGI, while in Servlet, session tracking and caching of previous computations can be performed. CGI cannot handle cookies, while Servlet can handle cookies. CGI doesn't provide sharing property. Servlets can share data among each other. So here you can see many benefits of Servlet over CGI. Last one is CGI is more expensive than Servlets. Servlets is less expensive than CGI. Thank you. In next video we will learn Servlet containers.